limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have something a bit different for you. Not sports related. Let's just get right into it. Let's take a look at what we have in today. There it is. Looney Tunes. And this basically is you'll see in a moment, commemorates Warner Brothers 100 years WB. And we'll take a gander at everything. There's a lot going on with this cap. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Let's take a look right up close. You can see Bugs and Lola. Can you name the characters? Well, I already gave you a couple. Very detailed graphics on this. Stitching is also on point. I thought about a good idea. We're working with 5950, of course, 7 1/8. So, see the beautiful graphics. Side shot. It's a little bit thicker here, the stitching on this one. You got that glossy, or I would say, like it's definitely metallic New Era. And there it is. WB celebrating every story. WB stands for Warner Brothers. You can see that heavy stitching on the outside. It's like a glossy, almost like a glossy black stitching, but nevertheless, this commemorates the 100 years. It says, follow the yellow brick road. So, this cap also commemorates the Wizard of Oz. So let's take a look at the front once more. Okay, so at first glance, I did not, it makes sense. You could see the Wizard of Oz characters. So that would be Dorothy. That's the Tin Man, which is Bugs. And you can see Sylvester is the lion. And Coyote is... So the Coyote is the Scarecrow. So if you guess that, you got it. Scarecrow, Tin Man, Dorothy, and Sylvester is the Cowardly Lion. Cap has the definitely has the extra material going. Definitely more of quality, that's for sure. So you got the 100 Years by Warner Brothers New Era, 7 1/8 50, 6.8 centimeters, 59.50. It's like a yellow, heavier quality material in there. Fabric. So, what do you think of this cap? You like it or love it? Dislike it or hate it? Do you like the theme? Do you like the Wizard of Oz theme? It took a second for I had to take a look at, glance at the whole cap, and I did notice that follow the yellow brick road. You know where that's going. That's Wizard of Oz, one of the legendary movies of all time. If you like this type of content, you can subscribe. If you want to purchase hats like these, free shipping USA, everything is in the description. Take a look at where to purchase. Thank you for watching. And so long and farewell.